D'Alba spray. And I am going to put this on in the very end, but I don't spray it on like everyone does because I just don't want to be inhaling all this stuff. So what I really do, I will share with you. Just keep watching. Let's get ready to go and buy some skincare. Since I'll be going out in the sun, I'm going to use something with an SPF. So I'm going to go for the Tula Skin Tint. And also, since I've just had my microneedling done, I'm going to go easy. And instead of using the brush, I'm going to be using the sponge. Because my skin is still very sensitive. So while we're doing that, I'm also going to be sipping onto my Sencha and Matcha green tea. Now, honestly, I cannot emphasize enough the benefits of swapping green tea with chai is, because I did that about a year ago and my bad cholesterol has gone down about 35 points. So, well, by the way, I have not been able to get down those numbers for like decades. And green tea did that. And initially, I wasn't really familiar with the taste of matcha, but as you drink it, you start loving it. And now I love it. Cheers. Have one cup too. Try it. It's really, really good for health. You know how you hate it when you go out shopping and someone just tries to push products on you? Yeah, I hate that too. So just because I don't want them to push beauty and skincare products on me, I'm going to make my skin look flawless, as if I don't even need those products. It's just going to be our little secret. Time for the eyebrows. Yep. So I want a natural look. So I'm just going to fill in what I already have. Eyebrows are done. I'm just going to brush these to make them blended and really nice with the spoolie side of the Morphe brush. And like this. So I have like a natural arch, but I kind of go like a hybrid mode, something between an arch and a curve. But I'm not just going to leave it at that. I am going to use the NYX glue, just a tiny little bit, and I'm almost done with this anyway. Just a tiny little bit to set them in place. Next, I'm going to add just a tiny little bit of contour, but we're just going to be contouring strategically so it doesn't look like a slash cut through my cheek, but it's just a tiny little bit right here. Right here. Yep. And we're going to blend it out. And now it's my favorite part of the show. It's time to apply some blush. Now, 100% Pure is like my favorite brand when it comes to blushes and lipsticks, because they have fruit pigmented makeup and they're always out of stock. So it's like really difficult to get them. So I got this color, which I experimented with because it's a very dark color. And this one is called Healthy. It's kind of like a rose, brownish rose color. I don't know if you can really see it. Yeah. So just, this is how much you need. Just watch. That's it. That's all you need. Because I want a natural look. And one, and this is all you need. And for my lips, I got this at Whole Foods. I already have it on. This is the Mineral Fusion, and this color is called Blush. And this is what the color looks like. And I'm just gonna go over it. It's a very natural look. What else do we need? I think we do need some mascara, though it's not gonna look so natural, but you know what? I can't do without mascara. My favorite mascara, this is the Lash Princess Falls Lash Effect Mascara by Essence. I love it. 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 I cannot say it enough. I love it. You know why? Just watch. Just watch, okay? There's going to be no jumps and no pauses in this video. And the brush is like this. Let's go over. Just one stroke. Let's see just what does one stroke do. See the difference? Just one, that was just one stroke. Okay, now let's go through this whole procedure. Take a break. Take a sip. Because I like my tea at a perfect temperature. It cannot get colder than that. Otherwise, I can't drink it. I have to go and heat it up. And I don't like doing that either. So I gotta just do it in the right time. Love it. Okay. Other side. Don't worry, we're gonna go back to this side. It happens in steps. You know what? I want to add like a little brown liner. Just a little bit. To look kind of like, have one of those classy looks. So let's do that. Well, you know, because I'm so classy, whatever I do is going to be a classy look, but you know, just a little bit more classy. So I'm going with the NYX ink liner, and this one has been brown, and I will need to look at my mirror right here to make sure it's precise. That's it. And we are ready to go to some beauty shopping at a Korean beauty store that I found out is right here in Houston. So I am going to be doing the review for all those products that I buy. I'm actually interested in buying 2 products. One of them is a retinol or a retinoid. I do not know what the difference is. They'll educate me on that. And the second one is something for my scalp to grow my hair. So let's see what I get. So one last thing. We had to spray this. And I wanted to show you how I use it. I don't like to just spray it all over my face because I don't want to be inhaling. Whatever is in here is just meant for my skin, not for my lungs. So I just spray it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. 2, 3. Especially the dry areas. And now we are done. Take care. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching the Dashing Dames show. Well, this is just like a BTS kind of version of the Dashing Dames show because the real show is coming. It's in the works. Stay glued. Stay glued. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. And when you see me in person, don't forget to come up to me and tell me you watched it, you loved it, or you hated it. I love it all. Take care.